Okay, Andra. Andra, she's super dry and sensitive. Well, her skin is. I already use all the fragrance-free everything. Cetaphil. I need amazing eye cream and night cream. Also, the Cetaphil sunscreen stings my eyes. The worst. It is the worst. Okay, so Is Clinical is a very non-systemic line that is really good for sensitive skin. I swear by their SPF. Their SPF is the best SPF. It's not going to sting your eyes. It's going to be amazing. Hallelujah. Their cleanser also is amazing. Okay, so there's 2 eye creams that I think you should try. Epicureans and Celavives. Those 2 are great. I have sensitive skin. They didn't burn. They felt great. And I really love them. As far as a night cream, so there's 2 that I would say. The H2O night cream. So H2O has an entire line for sensitive skin, and we just set one out in our swag bag last month. And it's really nice. It's hydrating. It works. It feels great. And then also Chuda has a hydrating healing cream that I'm obsessed with too, that you can put on at night. In the morning, your skin is amazing. Both fragrance free. Hope that helps. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you get. Let us know what you love. Share the gospel.